No wonder it wouldn't do anything. Look at the water show in here. Yeah, it's all frozen. I just assumed that water resistant meant that it would resist the water. Sharing more of my frustration with you. So, I know before you even say anything, Harbor Freight, you get what you pay for. I know their slogan, when your life's on the line, it works half the time. I know, I get that. But come on, you sell a trailer jack, right? When you read the guides, it tells you water resistant. They're full crap. So I come out here this morning, it's like 20 degrees. Couldn't get my trailer to jack up or down. So I pulled out the manual crank, which goes through the cover right here. Stuck her down here. Wouldn't do absolutely nothing. So I took the screws off of the housing to get it off. And look at all this water in here. It's full of water now because I sat there with a propane torch for probably a good 5-10 minutes. Just heating the housing and trying not to roast any of my wires. So that was fun. Took the plastic cover off first and just started going around and trying to get it to warm up. And as I was doing that, water was just dripping like crazy out of the housing. So I knew there was going to be some water in there, but that's why you're seeing water, even though it's only 20 degrees outside. It's because it's all been melted by the torch. So I'm trying to work and get this all done before it freezes again. Water resistant my freaking butt, dude. Good thing they don't make boats. Anyway, that blows my mind. If they're gonna make a spot for water to get in, why can't they make a spot for water to come out? That's absolutely my wife's favorite word. I'm gonna say ignorant. I know it's my fault. I didn't put a rain cover on it. I didn't put a bucket over it or anything. I just assumed that water resistant meant that it would resist the water. But, you know, whatever. Barely enough grease in here anyway. Nasty. Even the propane's too cold. Jesus Christ. So it's just me and you, little screwdriver. Anywhere there's water, it can freeze. So I got water trapped around here. Grease is a little heavy. Down pressure on here. Push up on the bottom down there on my foot. You see that lifting up a little bit? Yeah. There we go. Now look at all that wonderful cotton candy. Where there's grease, there can't be water. Unless you got crappy grease. This isn't gonna last forever, but by God, I hope it lasts through the winter. Give me a better jack. Maybe take care of this one a little better. Case back on. Got good motion again. Thank you, Lord.